Let's take a look at a deluxe suite in Gran Destino Tower at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. Gran Destino Tower is the newest addition to Coronado Springs Resort at Walt Disney World as of 2019, and this is where you'll find standard rooms as well as club-level access rooms, along with the deluxe suite, which we will be sharing with you today. The rooms inside the tower are set up like a hotel, with the doors inside the building rather than facing the outside of the building like most moderate resort rooms usually do at Disney. So it's going to feel more like a hotel and less like a motel. When you walk in, there's a half bathroom. Here is a wide-angle shot for you so you can see it all in the shot. The bathroom is by no means large, but it's also not that small. It's a good size for a half bathroom, and it has enough counter space for one person's belongings if they so choose. Then you head out immediately into the living space, which is pretty spacious. It is decorated in fun mirrors and bright colors to match the theming of the resort overall. In the main living space, you'll find a comfy chair and sofa, a huge TV, almost floor-to-ceiling windows, which makes the space super bright and airy, a bench, and a couple of coffee tables. The couch folds down into a queen-size bed, and I will share later what that looks like once it's all set up. Over in this area, you'll find a beverage cooler, the ice bucket, and a Keurig coffee maker, along with everything you need to make your coffee, coffee pods, creamer, and sugar, as well as disposable cups. Over here you have a desk area with the Hey Mickey device and another table and some chairs, which is great for eating or working. The view from this particular room is just off the parking lot. You can see the Swan and Dolphin along with the Tower of Terror over there in the distance. Now heading into the bedroom, which does close off separately. I love that it has the door that separates the two rooms. It's great for privacy. If you have multiple parties, it's great for families. Bed in here is a king-size bed, super comfortable. And as you can see, it is raised, so you have plenty of storage space underneath for luggage. I always love that feature when the beds are up high enough. You can just shove your luggage under there. Saves a lot of room. And then you've got shelving and drawers over in this area, along with a safe. So you have plenty of storage over here. The closet opens up. And the closet opens up on this side, also with plenty of room. Up top there is extra bedding for the sofa bed and robes, which are super plush and cozy. I have to say these are some of the best hotel robes we've gotten from Disney, actually. They're so luxe. And then there's also the sealed hotel slippers. These aren't anything fancy, but they are nice to have. You can control your own temperature in this room with a thermostat dedicated to the room. Now, the only full bathroom in this room is located inside of the bedroom. There's a very spacious double vanity that has this beautiful tile that you'll see throughout the bathroom. It comes stocked with standard Disney toiletries like body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, but since it is a club level access room, it also comes with some extra things like mouthwash and a vanity kit. Also has lotion, shower caps, Not all of them have that. That is usually something that they reserve for upgraded rooms. So that's kind of nice. The mirror is huge and the lights are super bright in here. There's a makeup mirror and there's also plenty of storage under the sink. The shower is over here. It's a really good size. It has a rainfall shower head along with a standard shower head, and then you can see the bath products inside. One thing I do not understand about the way that Disney designed these rooms, and it's not just these rooms, there are a few other rooms we've stayed at in deluxe resorts that have the same setup, but the toilet is actually beyond the shower. So you have to go through the bathroom to get to the toilet. And I feel like that is kind of a wasted layout because you have to be really, really comfortable with whoever you're traveling with for them to want to walk through while you're in the shower to use the toilet. So I don't like that layout. Luckily, this room does have a half bathroom. I just feel like it kind of wastes the space a little bit because I don't think most people want to walk through a bathroom when someone's showering to get to the toilet. Well, that's just my opinion. That's just my opinion. To each their own, I suppose. All right, going back out into the main living space, here's another angle of it. You can get a feel for what it looks like. If you're looking for space, these rooms are great. This is the second time we've stayed in one of these. The first time I booked it, this time we were actually pixie dusted, which was a really nice surprise. But I remember the first time being in one of these rooms, and at the time, I think it was bigger than my apartment. They are quite big. Plenty of room if that's what you're looking for. It's really easy to set up and take down. There are instructions along the bottom of the bed as well. Kind of just tells you pull the tab and walk out, and then to fold it up, kind of just do the opposite. And even though our daytime view from this room was just of the parking lot, nighttime we could see Epcot's fireworks from our room, which was really nice. It's always a nice little treat. There are a few important things to know about this room type. It is only available to be booked as a club level access room, so you cannot just book it as a deluxe suite. You do have to book it as club level access, which automatically increases that price tag. Prices for this room type can range anywhere from $650 a night to over $1,200 a night, depending on when you're traveling. Usually during the lower times, you're going to see closer to that $650, and then, during the high times like Christmas and New Year's is when you're going to see over $1,200. That is before any kind of discount, so if this is something that you're interested in trying out, you sometimes can find a deal during those slower periods like January, sometimes September. But another thing to keep in mind is that these rooms technically only sleep 4. So they're not intended for large parties. They're actually just intended to be a room that has a lot of space. And if you're booking it, you'll also have access to the club, which is going to give you even more space. So space is one of the things you're looking for if you're maybe on a working trip, if you're doing a lot of time at the resort. This room could be a great option for you, but just keep in mind they are going to be more expensive. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you to see what a deluxe suite at Gran Destino Tower looks like. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.